You can now access Sora 2 and create videos without invite code, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Look at the videos I curated.
Come on, buddy, open up.
Access denied. Sugar limit reached.
Look, it was just one cinnamon roll and half a donut. Okay, 2 donuts, but please.
Still a no.
What if I...
Scan this. Invalid barcode.
You're kidding me, I just want some orange.
Now, for those in some countries, if you are trying to do this on your own without watching this video to the end, this is the error message that you receive. So watch this video to the end for you to have access. In this video, I'll show you two methods of accessing it. The first method is using invite code, and then the second method is accessing it without invite code. Either of these two must surely work for you, so pay close attention. For the first method, click on the website link in the video description to go to this website. When you get to this website, you are going to see this button, get invite code. Click on that. So they'll ask you these questions, just follow the instruction and send it back. After answering those questions, this is the code you are going to get. You are going to be very fast when using this code. Simply copy this code and then you go to the Sora AI website and type in this code. If this doesn't work for you, then we are going to the second step, which is to access the Sora AI website without the invite code. And to do this, we are going to use this particular app called Windscribe. So you are simply going to download Windscribe using my link in the video description to get access to it. So after downloading Windscribe, here you are going to select your location. So I will advise you go with this US Central because that is what I've already tested out and that is what works for me. So select this location US Central and then you select the Atlanta Beach 3. This particular location, that's what you should select. After selecting that, then turn on the Windscribe. After you turn on this Windscribe, simply go back to the website, the Sora AI website, and refresh your page. Just like that, you have gotten access to this, and from here you can then start creating your video. So let me quickly create a video for you to see that this actually works. So I'll copy my prompt, come to this prompt area and paste in my prompt. So from here you can click on settings to select the aspect ratio of the video you want to create. For this video, I'll just go with portrait. After selecting that, here you can click on this add button to select an image or a video you want to use for your video creation. I don't want to use any of that, so I'm just going to click on send. And once you click on send, you are going to be added to queue. You click on this profile icon and from here you can see my video is already creating. This was a video I created before and this one starts generating. I'm going to show you the final result of this video, but before I show you the final result of this video, let me know in the comment section of this video if this method works for you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I need to use this method to access it very fast before it is being removed. And here is the video result.
You didn't hear it from me, but the boss just texted his ex at 9 a.m.
Ugh.
And he used a winky face. Like, who even does that?
Please. I'm begging you. That's it.
Don't act innocent. I know your secrets too.
That's the video result. If you want to download it, simply go here, click on this three dot and you see this download button to download your video, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.